Hey guys, I am back with another 15 set of questions. So I have already provided 50 questions of the third 100 question set series. So 61st question is on your screen. Please go through that, and I will be providing 15 questions for today also. So guys, as usual, I will be giving 3 to 4 seconds on every question, so you can pause the video and then take it down. Okay, so 63rd. So it's 64th. 65th. 66th question. 68th question, guys. 69th question. 70th question. 71st. 71st question. 72nd. 73rd question. And guys, we are running to the last set of questions of today's video. So it's 73rd question. Okay, then comes 74th question. 'Okay, so it's last question. So guys, that's all today for today's video. So if you have any query, doubt, suggestion, please feel free to reach me. Till then guys, take care. Bye bye.